So my today's extempore is going to be on sports. Sports is health, sports is education, sport is mental well-being, sport is physical well-being, sport is camaraderie. And sport is what brings people together. From our ancient culture of our country, it has been observed from the books of Rig Veda, from the epic of Ramayana and Mahabharata, that sport had played a vital role in our history. The sons of king, the princes used to contest in competitions in archery, in cavalry, in swordsmanship, in wrestling, etc. etc. But in modern India, it has been observed that there is a decline for the passion of sports, for the love of sports, for the participation in sports. And even if there is any love or passion or motivation, it is only limited to one particular sports, that is cricket. India has such a huge population, India has a lot of human resource, India has capabilities, India has potential yet that has been unexplored. What are the challenges that Indian sport industry faces? Number one is the infrastructure. There is no proper infrastructure for someone who wants to play sports for a long run. There is no proper training centers, there are no proper coaches, there is no proper support system for the athletes in rural areas or even in urban areas. Number two is the poor governance. There has been a lot of corruption cases observed in committees and policy making in the government bodies that have to work, and they are not working as much good as they should. Number three is the lack of sponsorship. Usually there is no sponsorship in other sports other than cricket. There is no sponsorship in hockey, in football, and javelin throw, etc. etc. Now, how do we rectify these challenges? Number one is the grassroots development. India has launched the Khelo India initiative, in which it finds the talented youth and it provides them funds. It provides them proper facilities for sports, which actually helps the athlete for a long run, and it prepares a next generation of athletes. And number two is the corporate sponsorship. When the private players start pulling their money into sports, they will start sponsoring players, teams. When they will start providing funds to the players, then it would be seen as a stable career, and the people who would be involved in this career will have a stable life, which will actually also decrease the parents' bias towards the sports. And number three is the parents' bias. It has been observed in the country that parents want their children to excel in education, in academics, and they don't think the same in sports. And there's a simple reason is that there isn't much stable career in sports, and if the government can bring policies or can bring such a career which is stable in sports, then it would be very very beneficial. Now, in conclusion, I would like to say that there are a lot of challenges in sports industry, yet it has been seen that the people are diversifying their interest in sports. People are watching more hockey, they are watching javelin matches, they are watching football, etc., along with the cricket. So that is actually good for our sports industry, and I think it will take time, but with time, definitely India's sports industry and India's sportsmen, India's athletes will definitely boom all over the world.